प्री एलिमिनेटर्स सेकेंड मैच। अनीता टॉस जीत के बल्लेबाजी करने का निर्णय करते हुए ओपनिंग के लिए आ चुके हैं सुरेश विश्वकर्मा और अंकित। शुभम तरे गेंदबाजी के लिए तैयार, और ये तेज तरार कमेंट्री रोहित नायर द्वारा। पहली गेंद शुभम तरे, स्ट्राइक पर है सुरेश विश्वकर्मा। और क्या ही कटर गेंद, उंगलियों का बेहतरीन इस्तेमाल करते हुए यहाँ पे शुभम तरे गेंद को घुमाया, बल्लेबाज के सामने से बल्ला घुमाने का प्रयास, लेकिन कोई संपर्क नहीं। बढ़िया गेंद शुभम तरे द्वारा। दूसरी गेंद, वही रणनीति, दोनों ही गेंदों में गेंद को घुमाया और उतनी ही बढ़िया विकेट कीपिंग, बहुत ही बढ़िया विकेट कीपिंग यहां पे आदित्य माल्या द्वारा। क्विक कलेक्शन एंड बेल्स ऑफ, बहुत ही बढ़िया विकेट कीपिंग। तारीफ करनी होगी विकेट कीपर की, जिन्होंने बढ़िया तरीके से कलेक्ट किया और प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड दिखाया कि वेट किया कि बल्लेबाज का अगर पैर उठ जाए तो स्टंप पे मार सके। बढ़ते हुए तीसरी गेंद की तरफ, और अच्छी गेंद, यॉर्कर, स्लोअर, फुलर, 3 in 1। यॉर्कर, स्लोअर और फुलर, तीनों ही अच्छी गेंद थी, बहुत ही बढ़िया गेंद। ऐसा भी नहीं कि कोई तीनों गेंदों में एक भी गेंद पे बड़ा शॉट खेलने का प्रयास कर सकते थे, तीनों ही अच्छी गेंद थी। 3 गेंद हो चुकी है। चौथी गेंद, 4 गेंदों पर कोई रन नहीं। दूर, इस बार गेंद को टप्पा दूर रखा और वहां से गेंद घुमाया शुभम तरे ने, पेस नहीं दिया है। और बढ़िया बात बताओ ये दोनों टीमों की, वो ये है कि जो टीम बढ़िया कर रही है दूसरी टीम हमेशा वापसी जरूर करती है। और अभी 4 गेंदों पर विस्परिंग ने बहुत ही बढ़िया शुरुआत करते हुए नजर आया है पहले ओवर में। अब 2 गेंद शेष इस ओवर की। जैसे कहा, पहला रन आता हुआ स्कोरबोर्ड पे 5वीं गेंद पे। बहुत ही बढ़िया फील्डिंग वहां पे मनन द्वारा, डीप से कलेक्ट कर नॉन स्ट्राइकर एंड में थ्रो करने तक दोनों ही बल्लेबाज ने दौड़कर 1 रन ले लिया है। 5 गेंदों पर 1 रन है स्कोर। अब आए हैं स्ट्राइक पे अंकित। एक ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 1 रन, कोई नुकसान नहीं। बहुत ही बढ़िया ओवर यहाँ पे शुभम तरे द्वारा। मदन, बहुत ही बढ़िया गेंदबाजी है। दूसरा ओवर पावर प्ले लेते हुए बहुत ही बढ़िया कॉल यहाँ पे नजर आ रहा है मुझे। और यहाँ पे सुरेश विश्वकर्मा आउट होते हुए। Captain leading from front comes out. First ball hit straight down the ground for a six. What a comeback by Sagar. Two big hits and then a Yorker length delivery. What a comeback by Sagar. Vishal leading from the front. There's a fielder in the deep. That's a dot ball. Two dot balls on the row. Three in a row. What a comeback by Sagar Umalkar. 2 ओवर के समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 13, 1 विकेट के नुकसान पे। So 2 overs, 13 runs. Ankit and Vishal out there. Ankit on strike. I think Ankit hasn't got strike in last 2 overs much. Only the last ball of the first over. And here comes a cutie pie. First ball, dot ball. Manan Bhatt giving some advice. Wish Ankit on strike. 2 overs, 1 ball, 13 runs on the board. और ये जो एडवाइस दिया था क्या था वो पता नहीं, लेकिन उसके बाद रिजल्ट विपरीत. स्कोर बढ़कर 19 रन. देखो स्पॉट होएगा नहीं, बॉल नया वाला देना पड़ेगा. न्यू वाला ही है, ओल्ड वाला स्पॉट नहीं होगा. ओल्ड वाला देखोगे तो तुम लोग फोटो नहीं दिख रहा. यहां से हम लोग बहुत कम दिख रहा है, वो और कम दिख रहा है. 19 रन 1 ओवर 2 गेंदों पर. और ये गेंद आती हुई फील्ड पे, ये कहां से बॉल आया? One of our non-sponsors, DHL, supports us with the ball. "19 runs on the board. Ankit on strike." What a pace! This time, Shubham doesn't rely on slower delivery. He knows he's a fast bowler. और एक तेज गेंदबाज के ईगो को हर्ट करोगे तो वो अपनी तेज तेज तरार गेंद तो दिखाएगा ही आपको. बहुत ही बढ़िया लय में नजर आ रहे शुभम पहले ओवर के बाद. और यहाँ पे हमारे फील्ड पे कुछ प्यारे सपोर्टर्स फील्ड के बाहर जाने के लिए रास्ता ढूंढते हुए, और वहां पे एक और नया सपोर्टर आता हुआ फील्ड पे.
हेलो.
स्लोअर गेंद, और क्या ही काटा है इस गेंद को.
That's a lovely slow one from Shubham. Completely foxes the batsman. Completely foxes Anita Foxes.
Outside of another wide delivery.
Bowls a slower one on the offside, but outside the guideline. The umpire signaling a wide there. 1 run.
हेलो.
And that's a full flow of the bat. Second 6 of the over. It was a good ball.
Pitch is in short. Batsman was ready for that delivery. Dispatches it on the leg side for a maximum. We have a lovely contest going on here between Whispering Smashers and Anita Tigers.
2 sixes in the over, but at the same time good bowling by Shubham Tare, because he hasn't given the batters the chance for big shots. Whatever shots they have hit, they have to work hard to pick the ball, pick the length, pick the pace. So full credit goes to the batter for hitting this shot. It's not easy to pick the pace when a bowler who is mixing his pace in such a way. Again a slower delivery, full outside off, and what a acrobatic fielding by Sagar Umalkar out there in the deep.
We have good all-round cricket here, right, Rohit?
Exactly, you will see a high level competition between the talented players playing against each other.
And we expect that from teams qualifying from the playoffs.
Absolutely right. Vishal is on strike now.
Shubham Tare
Cool
with
as
his run
cucumber.
up.
And that's a good shot. Vishal waited the ball to spin and then he hit it.
It was another short pitch delivery banged in by Shubham. But Vishal was up for it.
Others by it. 1 over, the score was 1 run. It's 3 over 34 run. Look at the comeback that Anita has made.
Exactly.
And that's what I said earlier. These two teams are always known for a comeback. You can't just think that the match has been in the favor of a particular team when any team is playing against any of these two teams.
Exactly, Rohit, as you just pointed out, and this match will go right all the way down to the wire.
Absolutely, I agree with you. Looking at the Absolutely, I agree with you, Adarsh bhai. These two teams, whenever play against each other or any other good teams, they are always known for a comeback. And when so now comes in the captain Manan Bijlani. बिजली की तेजी से गेंदबाजी करते हैं मनन बिजलानी और स्ट्राइक पर है फोर्थ फोर्थ ओवर पटकी हुई गेंद और चार्ज फील्डर के ऊपर से सौरभ जो स्क्वायर लेग में शॉर्ट स्क्वायर लेग में खड़े थे उनके जस्ट ऊपर से मारा है 4 रनों के लिए
Another,
तेज तरार गेंद बैट्समैन का वो पेस से छकाने का प्रयास लेकिन बैट्समैन ने मैनेज किया बल्ले पे कहीं से तो गेंद लेने का और ये 4 रन
another short one being punished. So Whispering Palms have to rethink their strategy again here.
The second ball flew. Oh, what a shot! This time a little fuller. Ankit waited for the ball, hit it straight down the ground for a 6. 10 runs coming off the 2 balls.
Seeing some good batting here by Ankit. Putting the pressure on the bowler here. The first one was a short pitch delivery.
Let me tell you, it's a quality batting. Not any mistake of the bowler. The bowler is bowling very nice, tight lengths, but the credit goes to the batsman. Next ball, slower ball. There's a fielder in the deep, and he fields it well. And Manan Bijlani slips off.
Exactly, Rohit. And as we know, Manan, he's a fighter. He will come back in this over.
Slips off. Manan Bijlani. And single coming off that delivery. "45 on the board, 3 balls." Three balls, 11 coming off it. Vishal on strike. Manan, all good. Great.
Manan is up on his feet. Goes back to his bowling mark. He knows he has a job on his hands.
Vishal Dikshit on strike.
Manan checking his field here. He wants his fielder to be spot on.
And a fuller length delivery. Vishal will not leave this ball. If you bowl him 10 deliveries, he will hit 11 balls straight out of the park. What a shot! But let me tell you, each ball you hitting out of the park, a new ball comes on. So The batters have to be aware that whatever ball they are facing, it will be a new ball, and the ball comes in. Four balls, 51. Vishal on strike. 2 balls left of this. Low, what a ball, what a comeback. Outside off, Yorker length delivery. No chance for the batsman to go for big in this ball. 5 balls been bowled. 1 ball left of the over. Good comeback. That's what these two teams are known for. They don't take the pressure, they give it. Another high full toss, umpires. And some blunder happened in the last ball. A waist height full toss, giving a no ball. 7 runs added. What a ball! This was the ball that, and that's a terrific misfield. Not expected from Sagar Umalkar. He is one of the best fielders. 62 at the end of 4 overs. So at the end of 4 overs, the score is 62. After conceding 1 run from the first over, they have came back with 61 runs in 3 overs. Vishal completely taking over the bowlers, and Ankit guiding as he guided all the batters on the team, his own team, in throughout the tournament. 62 at the end of 4 overs. 3 overs still left. Shubham Tare finished with his 2 overs. Now here comes Manan Bhatt. A bowler who bowls good cutters, doesn't use much pace delivery, but whenever he tries to bowl a quicker delivery, it's much faster than any pace bowler, just like Durgesh Singh. First ball, Ankit trying very hard, manages to get a toe end of the bat, and a single coming off that ball. Vishal Dikshit is on strike now. 63 runs on the board. I'm still telling you, these two teams will still make a comeback. Slower ball. And that's taken, Rakesh Bhatt. As I said just a ball before, father and son duo brings a wicket. As I said before, these two teams are known for their comeback. Just a delivery before I just mentioned. And that's what happened. A well-settled captain, deserving inning have come to an end. And here comes out the batter, Durgesh Singh. Destroyer. Nikku the Destroyer. उल्टा बैट लेकर पकड़ के आते हुए निक्कू द डिस्ट्रॉयर दुर्गेश सिंह सामना करेंगे तीसरी गेंद का। 63 है स्कोर। 4 ओवर 3 गेंद, 63 है स्कोर। पहला बॉल, 2 बॉल हुआ, 2 बॉल, सॉरी 2 बॉल। तीसरा बॉल सामना करेंगे। और क्या ही मारा है, सीधा डाउन द ग्राउंड। दुर्गेश सिंह डिस्ट्रॉयर, गेंदबाजों का करियर डिस्ट्रॉय करने वाले डिस्ट्रॉयर। मनन जो बल्ले सेम इसी तरह से बल्लेबाजी करते हैं, गेंदबाजों का करियर डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं। 4 बार मेरे हाथ में और ये बाई बाई यानी कि 1 रन मिल रहा हो, अतिरिक्त रन। एक 6 मारने के बाद भी बढ़िया ओवर साबित होता हुआ यहाँ पे विस्परिंग स्मैशर्स के लिए। और ये स्लोअर डिलीवरी शॉर्टर। अंकित फिर से गेंद का लेंथ एंड लाइन जज नहीं कर पाए, मिस कर बैठे। एक ही रन आता हुआ। दुर्गेश सन्नाटे में खड़े। एक गेंद शेष इस ओवर की। 71 रन्स। पांच गेंदों पर 8 रन, बढ़िया ओवर साबित होता हुआ यहाँ पे। खेल दिया है गैप में और इस बार सागर उमलकर ने बढ़िया कमबैक किया है। बहुत ही बढ़िया कमबैक सागर उमलकर द्वारा। इंपॉर्टेंट मूवमेंट में इंपॉर्टेंट कैच। और जैसे मैंने कहा था आप सबसे कि ये दोनों टीम कमबैक के लिए जानी जाती है। इस ओवर के पहले अनीता ने क्या बढ़िया कमबैक दिखाया था और इस ओवर में विस्परिंग स्मैशर्स ने कमबैक करके ओवर में 8 रन देके 2 सेट बैटर्स का विकेट ले लिया है और स्कोर है अभी 71। 5 ओवर की समाप्ति पर 2 ओवर शेष। 2 ओवर में क्या लगता है क्या स्कोर होगा? आप हमें मैसेज कर सकते हैं हमारे YouTube लिंक पे। 2 ओवरों के लिए और गेंदबाजी करने आए हैं अनुभवी और तेज तरार गेंदबाज सौरभ गुप्ता। अगर आपको लगता है गुप्ता चना चाट इनका है, नहीं, ये बहुत ही टैलेंटेड गेंदबाज है। स्ट्राइक पर अंकित। पटकी हुई गेंद। अंकित ज्यादा ताकत लगाने की कोशिश में बैट पे हिट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। 1 रन आता हुआ। 72 और मुकुंद घोष जो बहुत ही बढ़िया बल्लेबाज है और जाने जाते हैं क्लासिक शॉट्स के लिए स्ट्राइक पे। क्या ही बढ़िया शॉट और उतनी बढ़िया फील्डिंग डीप में। टाइमिंग के साथ जम मारा है यहां पे विनोद जायसवाल। बहुत ही बढ़िया कैच था। ये गेंद जा रही थी 6 रनों के लिए। And here comes out संदीप विश्वकर्मा। स्ट्राइक पे संदीप विश्वकर्मा। तीसरी गेंद लेकर आते हुए सौरभ। खेल दिया है कवच के क्षेत्र पे। वहां पे फील्डर मौजूद। क्या ही गैप निकाला है और ये दूसरा रन लेने का प्रयास रहेगा लेकिन अंकित ने मना कर दिया। और बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट यहां पे संदीप विश्वकर्मा द्वारा। पहली गेंद पे फ्रंट फुट पर आके डाउन द ग्राउंड कवच के क्षेत्र पे वहां पे फील्डर मौजूद। गैप मारते हुए 1 रन लेकर अंकित को स्ट्राइक पे लाते हुए।
Seeing excellent cricket all round here. Saurav Gupta excellent with his bowling.
और ये पैरों पे गेंद। एक बढ़िया कमबैक यहां पे विस्परिंग द्वारा। जैसे मैंने कहा था 2 गेंदें शेष। 73 2 रन आता हुआ पिछले 2 ओवर में। टोटल 10 रन आ चुके हैं। इस ओवर की 2 गेंदें शेष यानी कि 10 गेंदों में 10 रन आ चुके हैं। और ये गेंद हवा में। फील्डर दौड़ लगाकर पवन मंत्री वहां पे कैच के लिए अटेम्प्ट किया मिस फील्ड और जहां विकेट बन सकता था वहां पे 2 रन चुरा लिया है।
An excellent over by Saurav Gupta in spite of that catch drop. Just 4 runs coming from the penultimate over. Just good over so far. And there is still a delivery to go, but it's an excellent over by Saurav so far. Can he finish it?
और ये गेंद हवा में और गेंद जा रही है तारामंडल की ओर, बट तारे को लगने से जस्ट बचा, क्योंकि तारे का 2 ओवर हो चुका था, इसीलिए ओवर की समाप्ति.
And the 6 coming off that last over.
81 6 ओवर की समाप्ति पर.
81 is the score at the end of 6 overs, and
नहीं अभी चल रहा है. हाँ वो उनको आवाज थोड़ा बढ़ा के बोलना पड़ेगा, मेरा आवाज में बुलंदी है. 81 runs on the board at the end of 6 overs. So first whispering opening the innings with a great bowling performance by Shubham Tare. Anita making a good comeback. Next 3 overs scoring 60 runs, 61 runs, and then the 2 best overs coming out, proving to be of Saurabh Gupta and Manan Bhatt. Moving on to the last over.
Manan Bhatt has been given the second over. He's bowled
Manan
an
Bhatt.
excellent first over.
The fast ball hit straight down the ground for a 6. Sandeep Vishwakarma. If you underestimate him, he will show you what he is known for. He is cool as cucumber.
It was an over pitch delivery, dispatch for a maximum straight over the bowler's head.
And this time, Sandeep
excellent
trying to
comeback.
go on the leg side, making the mistake.
That was an excellent comeback by Manan Bhatt after being dispatched for a maximum in the previous delivery.
Absolutely yes. The last ball he played straight, and he got the result. The next second ball he tried to go on the leg side, he missed it. What a shot, but there's a fielder set in the deep. Sandeep Vishwakarma placing straight in the hands of the fielder.
Yeah.
एक कीरीस का गाना सुनेगा. He's out there to bat.
Hello.
Kiri is out there to bat and will be facing 3 balls left of this inning. 3 balls, 6 runs have been considered till now.
So we have 3 important deliveries coming up in this first innings. Can Whispering Palms restrict them within 100?
Oh, what a swing!
They look very much on course, and
And
run
comedy
out.
of errors.
it's a comedy of errors, but at the end of the day, Anita Tigers have
And
to lose yet another
Bhojpuri
wicket.
comedy.
जिस स्पीड से क्रिश आए थे उसी स्पीड से उन्हें वापस जाना पड़ रहा है बेचारे ने.
I think they were trying to get Ankit Jha out, but in the process, the other batsman has got run out.
Shivam Singh comes out to bat.
Nevertheless,
Comedy of
it's a
Bhojpuri
wicket.
remix Gana Hindi.
Comedy of errors.
अगर आपको भी बिना डिग्री के सरकारी नौकरी चाहिए
So Ankit is on strike. 2 balls left. He's out there from the opening. From the first over. Now these 2 balls, he is the one who has to take the charge. Second big shot coming off the over.
It's a huge six. Ankit
Shivam.
Jha. And this over is
93 on the board.
We have seen a 6 followed by a wicket. A wicket. That's how this first innings has gone so far.
93 on the
Here
board.
comes the last delivery of the first innings.
That's
An
what he's
excellent
known
dot
for.
ball.
Aditya, and there's a running competition going on.
Aditya takes
And
it on
Ankit doesn't
himself.
want to waste his energy as he has to field.
Aditya Malia takes
रन, यानी कि 4 ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर था 61। और हमारे प्रमोद विश्वकर्मा यहाँ पे गेंद जेब में डालते हुए,
So Anita Tigers have put on 93 on the board and Whispering Palms need 94 to chase this down.
और जैसे 4 ओवर के समाप्ति पर स्कोर था 62 रन और 3 ओवर शेष थे, वहां से विस्परिंग पाम्स, विस्परिंग स्मैशर्स ने कमबैक किया 2 ओवरों में सिर्फ 14 रन देकर। और आखिरी ओवर में दोनों ही टीमों को
So Rohit, at halfway stage, the match is equally poised here for both the teams. Anita Target needing to defend the 93 they have put on board, and Whispering Palm need an extra run to chase this target down. Who will win? We'll find out soon. First delivery coming up from Durgesh Singh.
inside edge, Vinod Jaiswal getting under the ball, trying to hit over leg side, misses it completely. Dot ball.
Cramping up the batsman for space. Vinod went for the big hoik.
Hit straight down the ground. What a boundary.
And that's an excellent shot by Vinod Jaiswal. For something
Sunday.
that is really known for.
Sunday.
Plays the ball on merit. Durgesh Singh, nothing wrong with that delivery there, but the batsman too good for the shot. Plays it over the mid-off fielder for a boundary.
Two balls, a full toss. Vinod Jaiswal was looking too fancy. Goes down, trying to hit it above. Square leg fielder misses it completely.
Vinod Jaiswal trying to improvise on that one.
Let me tell you, Vinod Jaiswal is not looking for just rotate the strike. He's gone a full throttle to this bowler. He's planning to go. That's what beauty about this game is. White ball.
It's a wide delivery from Durgesh.
Thank you, DJ.
Far from the reach of the batsman. So Vinod Jaiswal just trying to unsettle the bowler with his liner length here.
It's straight down the ground. There's a fielder and he misfields.
Straight
But
to
can't stop the
block.
batters from taking a single.
It's a good comeback delivery by Durgesh. No, he's an excellent bowler. Does not like giving away too many runs.
Exactly. 4 balls, 6 runs on the board. Pawan Mantri on strike. Oh! What a ball. Slower delivery. Back of the length. Pawan Mantri just played a defensive shot. Trying to play. But I've seen Pawan connecting well in the morning. I think he will be also looking to go full throttle in this last ball of the over. Outs of. And that's a white ball. Last ball of the over.
That's yet
7
another
runs on the
wide.
board.
That's yet another wide by Durgesh. Last ball coming up.
What a ball! What a ball!
It's right in the block hole there.
S-
Pawan Mantri trying to flick it but completely misses it.
Rivera Renegades and captain of Alika Titans are requested to come over for the toss.
So Whispering Palms are 7 at the end of the first over.
एक ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है
7.
7 रन. कोई नुकसान नहीं.
So good slow steady start here for the Whispering Palms. They are 7 for the loss of no wickets. And that's the end of power play 1. The fielder spread out.
Looking at the balls, I feel 7 is a decent start by Whispering Palms.
Exactly, that's what I meant. It's a slow and steady start. The batsmen were watchful in the first over. Playing Durgesh on merit, and now with the field spread out, you could expect some big hitting coming up with Vinod Jaiswal and Pawan Mantri at the crease. We have a keeper change here, signaling the umpire.
Vishal Dikshit gonna bowl the second over.
So Vishal Dikshit with his first ball of the over.
A juicy full toss.
Juicy full toss, and Vinod does not miss those. 9 out of 10 times he will dispatch it out of the park. That is what he exactly did.
And that's hit for a 6.
Pressure right back on the bowler.
Thank you, DJ. Vishal starting with a juicy full toss, and he's known for a comeback. And we will see this in this over. A wide ball. Vinod Jaiswal, known for a big hits, is playing sensibly, and that's what his team is expecting from him.
What that first 6 has done is it has put the pressure right back on the bowler. He follows it up with a wide. Can he come back strong? Vishal Dikshit. Pawan Mantri sharing some tips with Vinod. There's a small interruption here, I think. It's with the crease. So just remarking the crease here. I think the umpire is having a tough time. Just put in a mention for the umpires here who have done a really good job here throughout the SSB
Thank you,
IPL
Anuj.
tournament.
Cut shot. Devendra in the deep, and Sonu comes in between. What's happening here?
Manoj Jaiswal square cuts that delivery for a single.
It was so quick. Sonu didn't have even a time to think to get off the angle of the throw. वाइट बॉल, एक और वाइट बॉल. पिछले ओवर में एक्चुअली प्लेयर कीपर के पीछे से कवर करना चाहिए, ये तो कीपर के आगे कवर करने लग गए थे सोनू.
That's yet another wide from Vishal Dikshit.
एक ओवर 2 गेंदों पर 16 रन है स्कोर. बढ़िया स्टार्ट विस्परिंग स्मैशेस द्वारा. और ये है गगनचुंबी छक्का. बाजुओं का दम, हम नहीं है किसी से कम. पवन मंत्री.
That's a huge six from Pawan Mantri. Goes right in his arc. Dispatches it straight over the channel and for her.
Thank you, DJ. 2 shots, 2 big hits in this over. Vishal feeling certain kind of pressure. Pawan Mantri on strike. Umpires ready, fielders ready. Moving on to the next delivery. 22 runs on the board. And it's up in the air. Shivam getting under it. And he takes it.
So finally Pawan Mantri, after the big hit, he goes
Vishal, who's known for a comeback, has given a breakthrough to the team. और ये विकेट गिरता हुआ और अगले खिलाड़ी आ रहे हैं बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए. मनन जी नहीं बट नहीं बिजलानी. कप्तान स्वयं बल्लेबाजी करने आ चुके हैं. विशाल दीक्षित गेंदबाजी पे तैयार. एक गेंद शेष इस ओवर में. 2 गेंदें शेष इस ओवर में. तो 2 गेंदें बाकी इस ओवर की और स्कोर है 22 रन.
We have the toss between Alika and Rivera. We'll
Manan.
just wait for this over to get over.
मनन
Then we'll
बिजलानी
have
on
the
strike.
toss.
Outside off. White
That's-
ball. 23
That's
run.
another white ball. And the chase looks quite good with the run rate that they require. Rohit, your expert comments.
Absolutely. They have given a good start. Both the openers. Now the captain has to take the control over here. It
Oh,
was
that's
so
a
quick.
four.
It was so quick that Sidhu didn't even knew the ball has just passed him out.
Even Manan did not know. He reacted to the ball.
Exactly. When Sidhu tried to attempt the ball had already crossed the boundary.
So there's one more ball left. And Rohit, what's the score?
27 on the board.
27. 1.5.
पटकी हुई गेंद. Everyone appealing. Everyone appealing. Not out. Signal by the umpire.
Not out, given by both the umpires. Okay, now toss between
2
Rivera-
ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 27 रन. क्या ही बढ़िया बाउंसर था. आखिरी गेंद मनन बिजलानी.
Guys, this is a special call. Coin, you can see it. Heads. This is tails. Okay, who's going to say it? You're going to say it. Okay.
The man them too
Heads is the
inconsiderate.
call.
Five-star hotel smoking cigarette mixing Cody
Heads
not
it
with
is.
the Finnegan. She got thick but she
You're
wanna get
bowling.
Finnegan. Drinking apple
So
cider
Rivera has
vinegar,
won the
wearing
toss
skin 'cause
and
she wanna
decided to field first. Alika is going to bat.
क्या ही बढ़िया गेंद. कमबैक. 2 ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 27 रन.
My whip could have been in a Tokyo drift car, it's fast and furious. I went from the Toyota Yaris to Urus. They had their chance but blew it. Now this gal want me and her uterus. Fuck it, I'm rich, let's do it.
Take a look at these
Thank you,
diamonds,
DJ.
long as her life is squid.
Rivera has won the toss and decided to bat. Decided to field. They have decided to ask the opponent to bat. There shouldn't be any team meeting in between. Please, Anita Tigers, set up the field. Mukund Ghosh is ready to bowl the third over. 27 runs at the end of 2 overs for the loss of 1 wicket. Mukund gonna bowl the third over. So it's a power play over. 2 overs, 27. A very interesting call taken by the captain. Mukund Lala gonna bowl the power play over. This is the over of the match.
That's a wide delivery.
White ball. Adarsh bhai, what do you think? A power play over. Power play by Mukund, not Durgesh. What do you think?
I think Whispering Palms would look to capitalize here.
Oh,
There was an excellent
toe
delivery.
crusher Yorker.
It was a York delivery on the offside. So Rohit, I think Whispering Palms would definitely look to capitalize here. They would want to be ahead in the game. They have a good start here already. And they have good batsmen at the crease with Vinod Jaiswal on strike and Manan Bijlani on the non-strikers end. So some mind games being played here by Anita Tigers just to distract the batsmen.
And that's a white ball.
That's yet another wide delivery. The margin of error being very minimal here for the bowlers. They have to be spot on with their line and length. We know it's a small ground. It can get dispatched if they are in line and length. Tries for a big hoik there, completely misses it, and it's another wide, yet another wide. So 3 wides in this over already. So power play over. Batsman trying to capitalize, and the bowling team trying to do something different here, but clearly not working out in the first 3 deliveries here. There's a change in side.
What a shot!
Beautifully placed on the leg side. Finds his gap. That's excellent batting here by Vinod Jaiswal.
Good shot by Vinod Jaiswal. Gets into the offside, plays a sweep shot, and it was well placed in the gap. A good 10 on 10 intent and marks given to Vinod for this shot.
That's yet another wide. So clearly these tactics not working for Anita Tigers. 4 wides in this over already and a boundary. It looks like the fielder is distracting the bowler more than the batsman. Still trying to position him. It's a clear tactical mind games being played here.
Bad shot.
Vinod Jaiswal totally unaffected by all that. But we know Anita Tigers.
Bad shot DJ.
It's a lovely delivery. Vinod Jaiswal tries to hit it on the offside, but does not connect it well. It's a single on the leg side. Fielder long on, cutting it off for a single.
36 on the board. 2.3. 2.3, 36 on the board. Manan Bijlani on strike.
And fielder has been removed from that position now.
And what a shot.
And that's an excellent shot by Manan Bijlani. No half measures there. Sides the ball, picks a spot, dispatches it along on for a maximum. This is some excellent batting here by Whispering Palms.
42. 2.4. 2.4, 42.
Pressure straight back on Anita Tigers. They've tried too many things in this over, but none of them working clearly.
Thank you, DJ. Oh, slower delivery, back of the length.
That was a good delivery. Manan too early on that shot.
2.5. 42.
Tried to smack it on the deep square leg boundary, but he was too early on that shot. Misses it completely.
Oh, that was a thick edge. And goes for a 1-run declared zone. 43 runs on the board. 51 required. 3 overs, 43, 51 required in 4 overs.
It was a too short a delivery as well as a wide, but Manan's eyes lit up. He thought he could convert that to a maximum, but only manages to edge it for a single. Declared run.
Thank you, DJ.
We have here comes
Durgesh.
Durgesh Singh with the next over.
It's up in the air. Vishal takes the catch. First wicket for
As we know,
Durgesh.
Durgesh Singh strikes here for
सो स्कोरर को थोड़ा ट्रबल रहेगा क्योंकि दोनों ही मनन है, एक बिजलानी है तो दूसरे भट्ट.
and this is going to be an exciting contest here. Durgesh Singh
The
bowling
best
to Manan
bowler, best bowler of Anita versus the best batsman of Whispering. Who's gonna win the battle? Adarsh, tell me.
Time will tell Rohit.
That's absolutely, I agree with you. The time will sell.
Cannot write any of them off.
Manan
taking his
Bijlani
guard.
on strike. Manan Bhatt and sensibly takes a single. He knows. And Sandeep trying to play with the minds of the batter. He purposely misfields the ball so that the batters will look for second and the player from the back will collect and throw it. But the batters are too smart. They will look and they will decide which runs needs to be taken. 2 balls. Third ball straight down the ground. That's taken.
Get another wicket, Manan Bijlani.
बिजली की तेजी से गेंद डाली गई थी बिजलानी को और उसी तेजी से गेंद को शॉट मारा था लेकिन थोड़ा फ्लैट रह गया शॉट और सीधा फील्डर के हाथों पे. थैंक यू वेरी मच डीजे.
That walks.
थैंक यू वेलकम डीजे.
So, Singh, as we all know, he strikes for Anita Tigers. 2 crucial wickets.
Sagar Umalkar on strike. Durgesh with the what a ball. 4th ball straight down the ground for a single.
Respectfully places it for a single. That's the right way to go. They need to see this.
45 on the board. 4 balls, 2 runs considered.
2 crucial wickets here. Draw Anita Tigers back into the game.
Again, Durgesh running behind the ball, but no use. The players from the deep have covered the area.
Manan Bhatt is very watchful, quite content with taking singles in this over. He knows how important his wicket is in the context of the match.
Absolutely, I agree with you. He knows that this over, after this over, he has many chances out there. So he won't take any risk in this over. Single coming off the last second last ball. Oh, that's a lot of things happening. Gets a toe end of the bat. Keeper stops it. Ball goes and hits the stump. But the batters are
Excellent finish
well
to
in
the
the
over.
4 over. Score is 46. So at the end of 4 overs, Anita Tigers were 62. And at the end of 4 overs, Whispering are 46. 48. 18 में 48.
required of 18 deliveries.
Still, Whispering have a little upper hand in this match because they have Manan Bhatt out there. And Anita will have to focus 48.
18 balls, 48 is the equation.
18-48 is the equation.
It's still anybody's game. It's still anybody's game here. 16 is the required run rate.
इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई? चलो आवाज आना शुरू हो चुका है. 18 पे 48. मुकुंद कमिंग अप विद द सेकंड ओवर. दूसरा ओवर लेकर आते हुए मुकुंद. 18-48. वाइड बॉल. काफी बाहर थी गेंद.
Down the offside for a wide.
47 runs required in 18 deliveries. And that's a full toss.
The full toss.
Manan Bhatt is the boss.
But does not meet those
41 required in 17 deliveries.
The juicy full toss offered to the batsman and Manan Bhatt will not.
As I said you, till the time this batsman is out there, it's always Whispering's game because he's such a talented player and it's a very important and difficult task for Anita bowlers to pick his wicket because he will never give you his wicket easily.
Ball under the pump right away.
और ये कट शॉट
It's another excellent shot for
और ये
this
दूसरा छक्का.
man. Where cuts in? What a shot that was. That is some shot. Manan Bhatt showing his caliber here. So a full toss delivery being dispatched for a 6 in the mid-wicket region and this time he square cuts it for a 6 on the offside.
सिक्सटीन 35 16 पे 35 और ये वाइड यॉर्कर और गेंद थी वाइड.
And this is pressure showing on the bowler now. After being hit for 2 maximums, he tries to correct his line there, but he bowls a little too wide on the offside, only to be signalled wide by the umpire. Goes for a change inside here. Can he make a comeback?
And that's a misfield out there in the deep.
Manan Bhatt sensible
But
batting here.
Shivam covers it well. Single conceded.
Drives it for a single on the offside after hitting 2 maximums. Rotates the strike. Sagar Umalkar facing the next delivery.
Sagar Umalkar on strike. Mukund Lala ready to bowl. पंद्रह पे 33. और ये बढ़िया गेंद.
It was a good delivery, good length delivery pitched up.
14 गेंदों पे 33 रन चाहिए.
A precious dot ball here for Anita Tigers. They need to string in a few more dots to put pressure on the Whispering Palms batsman. Manan Bhatt giving some advice to Sagar. It's been a good over for Whispering Palms. Can they finish it off well? It's a juicy
And
full
that's a
toss.
full toss.
That's out of the park.
Sagar Umalkar is such a batsman. If you bowl him a full toss, he will hit you out of the park.
That was a pure gift to the batsman. What do you say, Rohit?
Exactly. Everyone is more focusing on Manan Bhatt, but you never know. Sagar Umalkar is also one of the dangerous batsmen.
It's
Thank
all
you.
the pressure showing on the bowler here. The margin for error so less here in this
Yup.
round.
Anita trying to plan for Manan Bhatt, but Sagar Umalkar is coming as a surprise test for them.
Last ball of the over coming up. We clearly see the Anita
13
Tigers.
गेंदों पे 27 रनों की जरूरत. 13 ball, 27 required.
This over has brought Whispering Palms right back into the game
13-27. A pull shot, didn't connect it well.
Was another
Can't stop the
short
player
pitch
from taking a
delivery.
single.
Only manages to take a single.
12-26.
That's the end of the over. So 22 required of 12 balls.
26, right? 26.
So correction, it's 26 required of the last 12 deliveries.
Sid Kashyap, a young bowler who's known for his variations. He bowls 4 different deliveries: off cutter, leg cutter, pace, yorker, short pitch with a good pace. And here comes a fight in between, not between the teams, but between the two cutie puppies. 12-26, 12 गेंदों पे 26 रनों की जरूरत. देखिए वहां पे लफड़ा मत कीजिए, बाहर आ जाइए.
We have some 4-leg pitch curators here. They have been enjoying this LPL right from the first weekend.
बाहर आ जाइए और सब बुलाते हुए उनको.
Looks like they're totally involved in this game as well.
और बड़े ही स्वैग से उनकी मम्मी बैठी है उधर मिड विकेट के क्षेत्र पे. वहां पे फील्डर मौजूद नहीं है इसके लिए.
That's yet
White
another
ball.
wide. Too many wide deliveries from Anita Tigers in this innings.
12-25.
Each single just taking the pressure slightly off from Whispering Palms.
12 पे 25 रन की जरूरत है यहाँ पे सागर उमलकर स्ट्राइक पे. और एक और गेंद काफी
That's
बाहर
yet
हो.
another wide delivery.
2 वाइड से शुरुआत करते हुए यहाँ पे सिद्ध कश्यप.
Wide delivery is just not working for them.
आइला
Pressure,
क्या
pressure,
मैच चल
pressure.
रहा है यहाँ पे.
It's clearly showing on the bowler.
बहुत ही बढ़िया लय में नजर आ रहे हैं बल्लेबाज. और ये क्या ही फुलटास गेंद गई सीधा ऑफ स्टंप और उड़ा दिया गिल्ली. और विकेट प्राप्त करते हुए या सिद्ध कश्यप वापसी करना होगा
Full toss being missed here by Sagar.
सागर उमलकर को.
Would not be happy with that shot. Tries to play across.
थैंक यू डीजे.
Completely misses it.
आइला क्या गेंद थी.
Pulled out.
बहुत ही बढ़िया गेंद. फुल टॉस गेंद ऑफ स्टंप पे सीधा स्टंप पे आके लगती हुई गेंद. विकेट प्राप्त होता हुआ.
And with that comes Shubham Tare on strike. Still one would
शुभम
say
तरे.
it's Whispering Palms game from here, but very well know Anita Tigers.
थैंक यू डीजे. शुभम तरे जो टॉप स्कोरर है अपने ही करियर में, इसीलिए ऑरेंज कैप पहनकर बल्लेबाजी करने आए. The orange cap holder Shubham Tare
Do we have
is
a,
out there to bat.
do we have a twist in the tail here, Rohit?
I feel so. It depends on this over.
He started well with a wicket here.
White ball.
And once again he goes back to bowling wide deliveries. This is the third wide of the over, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, I agree with you. This is the third wide of the over.
And doesn't help Anita Tigers at all. They do not have too many runs on the board.
बहुत ही बढ़िया गेंदबाजी यहाँ पे. और ये क्या स्विंग, बढ़िया बल्ले का स्विंग, अच्छी हवा आती हुई यहाँ पे.
It was a big wide swing of the bat.
और सिद्धू कोशिश कर रहा है अपने टीम को पूरा योगदान दे गेंदबाजी से. 3 वाइड 2 डॉट, जिसमें से एक बोल्ड में विकेट मिलता हुआ उनको. तीसरी गेंद लेकर आए सिद्धू. 2 गेंदों पर 3 रन दे चुके हैं. फिर से एक स्विंग और मिस.
Swing and a miss again. Just
3 गेंदों पे 3 रन, वो भी तीनों वाइड.
Whispering Palms just need to rethink their strategy here. We have Manan Bhatt on the non-strikers and a new batsman coming in.
You say twist in the tail, but the tail is twisted completely. And that's a top edge, hits towards the point
Sensible
region,
batting here
and
from Shubham.
Injamam Ulak, sorry, Sonu fields it well. Four balls, 4 runs. What a comeback by Sid Kashyap. That's what I'm telling you. These two teams are always known for a comeback and they are doing it.
With that, Manan Bhatt comes on strike. He was off strike for a quite long time.
Oh! This is a golden dot ball because the batsman who is bowling, he never misses the ball.
That's an excellent delivery. Any dot ball at this stage of the inning, it's like gold dust.
7 बॉल पे 22 रनों की जरूरत. 7 गेंदों पर 22 रनों की जरूरत. 22.
22 of 7. So Anita clawing their way back into this match with this over. Seen some wide, but we have seen some dot balls as well.
And
that's
the last
beautiful
ball.
toss.
Hits it for a
It's a
6.
skyer, it's out of the park. You cannot bowl these to a batsman like Manan Bhatt.
एक ओवर में 16, विस्परिंग टीम का मन डोला.
Just being asked to hit. That ball had 6 written all over it from the time it left the bowler's hand.
एक ओवर पे 16.
So 16 of the last over. 16 of 6 balls, that's the equation.
Thank you, DJ.
But still anybody's game here. Whispering needs
एक ओवर में 16, विस्परिंग टीम में डगआउट में प्लेयर्स का मन डोला.
Whispering needs 16 to
कीरीस
chase
का
this
गाना
down.
लगेगा. कीरीस का गाना सुनेगा.
Anita,
बॉल.
Anita need to restrict them
बैट्समैन
within
वॉच द
14
बॉल.
runs to win this match.
दिखेगा ना.
It's a big over coming up.
16, एक ओवर पे 16 रनों की जरूरत और गेंदबाजी करने आए हैं. इसके लिए पूछा चलेगा.
16 runs required of the last over. 16 of 6 balls, that's the equation, ladies and gentlemen. It's a big over coming up.
And a grand welcome to Manish Singh. क्या हो गया?
match to resume again. We have 16 needed here on of the last 6 deliveries. Shubham Tare on strike, ready to face the first delivery. It's a perform or perish moment for both the teams.
Krish with the first ball. Shubham Tare on strike. It's up in the air
Full toss.
and it was safe.
Shubham
How come this can happen in the final over?
I think it was a premeditated decision. Otherwise, any batsman would have dispatched that for a maximum. Shubham is content with a single there.
This is what happens. If he would have gone for big shot, it would be a 6. But he managed to just give the strike to Manan. And that's what
Luckily
happened.
for Shubham, there was no fielder there.
15 from 5. Toe end of the bat.
And
Manan Bijlani Manan but not interested to take a single. 4 में 15. 4 गेंदों में 15.
4 balls, 15 runs required.
So 4 में 3 कनेक्ट करने की जरूरत. 4 में 3 कनेक्शन की जरूरत अगर इन शॉट कहा जाए तो.
This match might turn out to be humdinger here. And that's a wide delivery.
4 में 14. 4 में 14.
Do not leave your seats, ladies and gentlemen.
4 में 13.
We have a cracker of a contest here. 4 balls, 13 runs. So 13 required of 4 balls. Correction, 14 required of the last 4 deliveries. We have some 4-legged intruders on the pitch.
14 रन की जरूरत. 13 नहीं. 14 रनों की जरूरत.
14 required of the last 4 deliveries. Manan
14 रनों की जरूरत. चेंज किया है ऐप में. सॉरी फॉर द इनकन्वीनियंस. असुविधा के लिए खेद है. And yes, swing and a miss.
It's a swing and a miss. 14 of 3 and this match
Twist in the tail. यहाँ पे टेल को उखाड़ फेंका है.
is going down to the wire.
As I said you in the first, before the match, these two teams are known for the comeback. They will keep on coming back till the last ball is bowled.
Now the pressure on the batting team. 6 balls, 16 was what was required, and now the equation has come down to 3 balls, 14.
3 बॉल 14 रनों की जरूरत. 3 गेंदों पे 14 रनों की जरूरत. और यहाँ पे बीच में फिर से
3 balls, 14.
3 गेंदों पे 14 रनों की जरूरत.
Do it.
It's up in the air. एक कनेक्ट होता हुआ.
Lovely shot. That's a lovely
2 में
shot
8.
on the offside for a 6.
2 में 8. क्रिश को एक अच्छी गेंद डालनी है और मनन को 2 अच्छी गेंदों को बाहर मारना है.
Match is in full game.
मनन अपने पे लेकर खेलते हुए इस गेम को 2 पे 8. 2 पे 8. 2 पे 8. 2 पे 8. 2 पे 8.
2 balls, 8 runs required. That's a juicy
एक
full
पे
toss
दो.
on the leg side.
1 पे 2.
And asking for an we have a super over on
डेली
the
ट्रैफिक
cards?
की फाइट बच्ची
सिंगल लिया जाएगा तो सुपर ओवर। सुपर ओवर क्या होता है ये आप सब भी जानते हैं। 1 ओवर की मैच होगी।
Excellent contest here between bat and ball.
एक
One
गेंद
ball, 2
2 रन, लॉन्ग कीपिंग का इशारा। और ये मैच एकदम क्लोजली देखने के लिए एक क्रिकेट फैन फील्ड पे उतर चुके हैं। उनसे प्रेशर हैंडल नहीं हो रहा, उन्होंने फील्ड पे बॉलर के पिच के बाजू से देखने का निर्णय किया।
We have an intruder who wants to watch the last ball.
और उनकी माँ इस प्रेशर को हैंडल नहीं कर पा रही है, इसके लिए मुंह फेर के बैठी है उधर।
One
एक
ball,
गेंद
2 runs.
दो रन, एक बॉल 2 रन।
And that's played on the leg side for a single, or is it? Oh, it's a super over. That match goes down to the super over. No, it's a win for Whispering Palms. It's a
Blunder.
win for Whispering Palms.
It's a blunder.
Field of fumbling
Nothing
there
can be
with the
said.
Tigers in.
Other than this,
So what a mix-up this has been. Anita Tigers will be distraught with what has happened on the final delivery. I think we'll have to relook into this one. We will definitely want to relook into this one. Looks like Whispering Palms have snatched victory from the jaws of defeat here. What a match